This is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to begin with, I recommend that you launch the control or notification panel by making the downwards swipe at the right half of status bar. Then expand the available list of controls, touch and hold at the Wi-Fi icon like that. At the Wi-Fi settings page, tap at the gear icon in front of a network that you would like to share. Then once at the network details page to your bottom left, you'll find the QR code option, so go for it or tap on it. And at the following share network page, you will be provided with a QR code that you can further scan, or any other person could further scan and get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.